In this video, I'll show you how to add a line chat to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for elf site. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the chat section, and down below, you will find line chat. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the corner of the window, you can also click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 4 options. On the Connect section, this is where you can add your line ID, and to do that, simply head over to Line, copy your ID, and paste it right in here. Once you've done that, it should be able to connect. On the content section, this is where we can change how we want our widget to look like. On the bubble icon, we can change it by clicking on the icon. In here, we can upload from computer or choose from the library. And in here, you will have a selection of things that you can choose from. Below, you can also change the bubble text. On the chat window, this is where you can change the picture, and if you click on it, just simply click on the replace button. And if you choose from the library, you will have a lot of selections. Below, you can also add a custom name as well as the caption. So if you click on reply time, you can change it to online, one of the reply times, or add a custom caption. Below, you can also change your welcome message if that is something that you want to do. And you can also change the start chat button text as well as a show the icon or not in the start chat button. On the settings section, this is where you can change the position of the widget. So if you simply click on position, you can choose from a floating bubble, embed bubble, an embed chat window, and on the appearance section, this is where you can change the font of the widget, as well as the color of the header background, user online status, chat wallpaper, message background color, as well as the button color. Below on the start chat button, you can also change the corner radius. You can choose from a square corner, a rounded corner, as well as a circular corner. If you click on the 3 dots, you can also add a specific value for your corners. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into ElfSite if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to click on Embed and Social. And on the left-hand side on Embed Code, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and then click on enter code. And on the left hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate. So anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. Once you're done, press on Ctrl V to paste the code. And at the bottom, simply click on update so we can view the changes. Once you do, you should be able to see your widget. And on the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. Now you just want to place this in a specific way. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right click, and then click on copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to click on the widget. At the top, click on edit code. And on the left hand side, you just want to paste the code, so simply press on Ctrl V. Now under font family, this is where you can change it into the font into how you want it to be. And once you're done, simply click on the update button here below so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have changed the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have line chat on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.